shit. What's up, everybody? It's me, Anthony Rosa, my cousin over there. And, I guess he's getting chickens. Huh? What? I don't know. Huh? Nope. Yeah. Where's the fucking stick? So I can go through. So I can. Huh? Fuck you. That's the one I'm gonna get. Anyways, we're walking through the berms, and we saw this piece of damn shit. Dun, 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 dun. Fuck you. Anyways, this fag just started to fucking throw chickens at the spears. Huh? Yeah. Let's go. Cutting them off? Where are we gonna cut them off at? No. Where are we gonna hide our heads? How come you can't just walk through the party? And these girls looking at you, fool. And you got skinny jeans on. And you got, your hair is nappy though. Hey. 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 You should do a dab, fool. And hey. 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 That nigga just. We're like just teasing them. Oh shit! Oh, oh shit! Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh shit! Hey, the fool! Look at that one! It's coming right behind you. Hit it, fool! Oh shit, fool! Run! Why'd you hit it?
You told me to.
Not hard. Not that.
That's fun.
What if the dogs came out?
Hell no, Bill.
Fool. You didn't mean. I didn't mean that.
You said hit him.
What? I didn't mean that serious.
Well, fuck, that was fun.
Fuck you. I didn't even get to hit one.
Well, I told you to get that one and the fucking took off.
Why'd you hit it?
I was hitting it, dumbass.
What? You didn't deserve it. You didn't fucking deserve it.
Yeah, you did. Because I want to eat it.
Wait, what did you about to say?
I want to eat